everyone, it's me Tanisha Agrawal of class 9. My today's topic is education. Nowadays, education is very much important in our life. Without education, our life is just like a ice cream without cream. It helps in dark situation of our life. It works as a light in a dark and bring brightness in our life. Without education, many people working too hard but earning very less money due to the lack of education. For example, doctor is just checking the patients only 5 to 10 minutes, but he earn huge money. But the rickshaw puller is working whole day, but he can't success to earn much money. Just now my opponent team member is told that the money help in this pandemic. How money help us in this pandemic? It is a little part, but the doctor helps us in this pandemic to save our life. Which knowledge they get from education, they apply in their life and save our lives. Without education, we can't success to come earn money. Some people told that without money, how can you come to school? Then our parents have certain knowledge which they get from education so that they can earn money and send us to school. At last, I want to say that education is more important than the money. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, it's me Ronak Markarn from class 9 of Marigold Secondary School. Today I am going to say a few words on the topic money is better than education. In today's world, money is everything. Without money, the people can't survive and can't get their basic needs and requirement to live their life. As my opponent friend said that in the pandemic, the doctors have played a very great role by giving the vaccine, by producing the vaccination so that people can be saved. So I would like to say that the money have helped them by providing the equipments. By only from knowledge, from only knowledge, the doctors can't help the people. So that the money plays a great role by providing the equipments to the doctors so that they can create very kinds of equipments, means medicines, so that they can test on the individuals which one is effective or not. Otherwise, only knowledge doesn't play a great role. Money also plays a great role in the medical line, and in the development areas also the money is very required so that the faculties or the country can upgrade their quality of life. During the war also the countries needs the weapons, so they needs money to buy those weapons. Otherwise, through knowledge they have to make, through knowledge they can also do, but through knowledge they can only know what things and assets are required for those. But although for making the weapons they needs money, so money is better, and so that the money can help it to provide the equipments. And in the every sectors, in the school sector also, the school is to spend the money on the different for providing the good education to the students so that they can have effective knowledge about the world's current affairs. In today's world, for getting a job also, from the gate, the person who are appointed to have the interview, from the gate while entering in the office, they used to enter the office, but for getting the jobs, for having the job, they used to by earning money from the job, they used to fulfill their basic needs so that they can have a good quality of life. And I would like to say that in the sports sector or in the any socialization sector also, money plays a great role than the education. By saying this much, I would like to stop my words. Thank you.
It's me, Lucky Arya. I am from class 9 studying in Marigold Secondary School. I am here to speak on the conclusion of the topic money versus education, where I would like to thank my teacher, English teacher Ramesh Kushwaha sir, for giving me this opportunity to conclude this topic. by saying this much, I would like to start my conclusion. We can take the money and education as two sides of a same coin, as both of the sides are required in order to make a complete coin. Similarly, to fulfill our basic needs and requirements and to have a sustainable life, we need both of these things, that is money and education both. Money and education both are interrelated with each other, as we can say that money has majorly affected on two basic things, that is the fulfillment of our basic needs, and it also affects adversely and nicely on the socialization, as the person having more amount of money has got more respect in this society, which is a bad thing and which is the truth. But the persons who have got less amount of money, they are forced to do hard work and they have less quality of life, due to which there is instability in their life. Similarly, the education also plays a vital role in both aspects. Video stopped. Similarly, the education also plays a vital role in affecting both the aspects, that is the socialization along with the fundamental requirements of life. We can say that education is required in order to have fundamental needs, that is food, clothes, shelter, and education. We can say that without education we will be unable to know what are our fundamental needs to be fulfilled, and education leads a direction through which we can systematically classify that what are to be done chronologically, so that we can achieve a sustainable life. Similarly, on the side of socialization, we can say the people who are more educated get more respect, like the people who have more money get more respect. Similarly, the people who are less educated, they have to do hard work and they get less amount of money and are not respected that much. Similarly, due to these reasons, the people are getting better quality of life and less quality of life respectively, according to the my statement. In this way, we can conclude that money and education both are interrelative terms which are required in order to make our life sustainable and attain quality of life. Thank you. We can give hands on hands.
Yeah, don't laugh.
Look here.